Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a free unlimited VPN which is available for Windows, Linux, Mac. It can even be used on a mobile phone, Android devices, Apple devices. The name of the VPN is Cloudflare Warp. If you directly write this, it's a very popular free software which is offered by Cloudflare. There is no limit. It's a trusted company. It's a trusted software, and I have using it for past 5 years. So basically, if you type Cloudflare Warp, the very first link which appears, this is actually the 111. It also makes your internet faster as well. So essentially what it does, basically when you toggle this on, it changes your IP address. So nobody can track you. Your real IP address is actually hidden. So once you go to this, you will see this. It's also available on Google Play, App Store, Mac operating system, Windows, Linux. Depending upon your operating system, let me install it for Windows. The size is just 56 megabytes. So just run the setup file, it will be installed. I've already installed it. So once you install it, simply search for the program Cloudflare Warp. So click on open. The software will launch in the task manager and it will run in the background. So right here it will come. So now to start the VPN, it's very simple. It's completely free and unlimited. There is no subscription. You can use it for lifetime. So once you launch it, it will be launching right here. You just need to toggle this. So basically now as you can see Cloudflare Warp. You simply toggle this and this interface will come. So you basically toggle this to on, and as soon as you do this, your IP address will be changed. It will secure your connection, internet connection, and build a tunnel. And after that, now as you see, your internet is fully private. Nobody can track you. You can easily browse your internet. This also actually speeds up your process. It changes your DNS address. If you have a slow internet, then I will highly prefer that you install this VPN inside your local machine and simply toggle this to on. If you want to disable this, you can turn this to off as well. But I'm using it for past 5 years, guys. I am using it for completely free and unlimited. And the process is very simple. You come to the website, download this for your respective operating system, then simply launch it and toggle this to on. And if I try to see my IP address, you will see if you go to a website to track your IP address, it's changed. My IP address is changed right here. So if I toggle this to off and again try to refresh, so now I will see my original IP address, which is actually Excital, as you see, 160.202. So essentially what it does, it actually changes your DNS IP address behind the scene. So that's all that you need to do. Just toggle this to on. It will secure your connection every time when you toggle this to on. Now as you see, your internet is private. So if you're looking forward for a VPN which is completely free and unlimited, consider this Cloudflare Warp. I think it's the number one software for VPN. It essentially does the smarter job of changing your IP address and DNS. So definitely check this out, guys. Install it and start using it.